guys, good afternoon. It's 12:45 now in the UAE. This is Hersley and this is my husband Malcolm. We are now driving to the Mall of the Emirates to get some lunch, and after that we're gonna go to the Apple Store to get Malcolm's new iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Here we have the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Box is just fractionally bigger, but obviously, yeah, the depth is half the size. No plug and everything in there. So here we go. Let's see what this new baby is like. Nice Pacific blue colour. That's a nice shape. No finger marks yet. That'll soon change. Little opener again. Got about 30 of these by now, I think, somewhere. Oh, another little Apple sticker. Never used those Apple stickers. Got millions of them. So, the SIM card ready. There we go. Right. We have another new cable. Difference in the box this year. There's no big plug this time. So good job, we've got plenty of them anyway. Right. Let's see what we got then in the new case. Right. So we've got a new case cover. It's not the one I wanted, but they haven't got the blue one. So we made do with this snazzy little see-through one. Hello. Got the, you can see the new mag ring there. And looked pretty cool on the phone we saw, so yeah, that'll go on shortly. As soon as the new phone is updated.
Guys,
Morning everyone.
we're just walking around the community now, trying Malcolm's new phone. It's a bit of a grey morning today. The sun hasn't come out yet.